This is class 2 of substitution 2, which is our topic. So in the previous class, in the previous video, we were doing these questions. Now we will proceed from here and see what is next to be done. So here are some revision questions which we learned last time. When a is equal to 9, what is a square? A square is 9 times 9. A square is a times a, that is 9 times 9, which is 81. 2a square. A square is 2 times 2, that is 4 times 2. So this is going to be 8. 2a square by 3. A square is how much? A square is 9 times 2. 18. 18 by 3 is 6. 93 minus a square. A is 9. So a square is 81. 9 square is 81. 81. 93 minus 81. 81 and 10, 91 and 2, 93. So that is 12 here. And when a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 2, a square will be 121 and minus b square is 4. 121 minus 4. 121 minus 4 is 117. So these are our answers and they are all correct, as you can see. Here we have negative numbers. As you can see, b is 9 minus 5, t is minus 6, and these are minus and minus. So you have to be careful while solving these. This is given to you as homework. I would like to give you some details on multiplication rule for different signs so that you don't have confusion, if any. Here I am going to explain you rules of multiplication with different signs. Suppose you have to multiply plus and plus, that is same sign, or minus and minus, both are same. I mean, these two are positives and these two are negative. The resulting sign is always positive. For example, in this case, plus 2 and plus 2, both are positive. So resulting sign will be positive, and then multiply these two numbers, that is 4. Or here you can see negative and negative, both are same. So resulting sign will be positive, and 3 times 2 will be 6. Remember, we usually don't write the positive sign before a number, so you can just write 4 and 6. Similarly, if we have to multiply two negative signs, plus and minus, that is when signs are different. Number 1 explains you same sign, number 2 is different sign. So when signs are different, the resulting sign is negative. Maybe when plus comes first or minus comes later, or minus comes first or plus comes later, the resulting sign will always be negative. So plus and minus, you can see here, plus is coming first and minus afterwards. So resulting sign will be minus. 4 times 3 is 12. And in this case, minus comes first and followed by plus. So minus plus is also minus, and 3 times 2 is 6. Hope this will help you solve the questions that you can see over here. Because here we have some negative signs, values are also negative. So I have given you, just try this question as your homework. What I will do is, I will take 1 or 2 questions from here and explain you. So let me take this question. Calculate 2a square minus b when a is negative 4 and b is negative 2. So let us proceed to solve and check. 2a square minus b is 2 times a minus b. So 2 is there and a is given -4, so it is -4 and -4, and then minus of -2. Remember here it is minus this black one, and -2 is the value of b. Remember, a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive, as I explained to you previously. So negative and negative here, it will become positive. So 2 and -4 and -4 is +16. Then minus and -2. So 32 and again minus and -2. Subtracting a negative number is the same as doing an addition. So you are subtracting a negative number from 32. So it is same as addition. That means you need to add 32 and 2. That is 32 plus 2, which is 34. Let us solve one more question. So this time I am going to solve this AB minus C. So AB minus C, you are given A is positive 5 or 5 and B is -2, -3, C is -3. AB minus C equals A times B minus C, that is 5 times -2, and then this minus sign is put, and after that the value of C is -3. Remember, a positive multiplied by a negative is a negative. Here 5 is positive and 2 is negative, so the resulting sign would be positive and negative, so negative. When signs are different, the resulting sign is negative. So this would be -10 minus -3. And -10, and when you know that when subtracting a negative number is same as doing an addition. So -10 minus and minus will become +3. -10 and +3 will give you -7. If you have any doubt why -10 plus 3 is -7 and anything, then you can write in the comment section. I will create a separate video where I will explain addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of negative numbers in detail, so that you don't get confused. That is all in this video, and with this video class this topic is also over. Whatever is given in the assignment, that is completed. You now just have to complete the questions that is followed. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.